Here's a new 2022 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.